Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. Welcome to Unify study. How are you all? All are fine? Yes. So I hope all of you are fine. So yesterday last class we had discussed these questions and now we are going to solve the remaining questions. These are the questions are done yesterday. Last class we did, right? Just let me check. Am I audible, visible? I hope I am audible, visible. Please reply. I am waiting for your reply. Yes. Okay. So all these questions we did yesterday, right? All these questions we did yesterday. Here this DDL, then after that joining, this all the joining we did yesterday. Now today I will discuss with you this question, that is this conflict serializability. This is the question came concept. Actually it is a totally conceptual question, but combine the concept of transaction and concurrency. Transaction concurrency totally they mix together, and after mixing they ask this question. That is the thing. So here you can see the question and you can tell me what will be the answer. After that I am coming to the concept of transaction and concurrency, so that with this question only your transaction concurrency will be clear, that whatever this area from where the question came. First there are 4 points they provide, A, B, C, D. This is the pattern where you have to read the statement and you have to tell that what is the correct and which one is wrong. So granularity is the size of the data item in the database. Two operations in the schedule are said to be conflict if they are belongs to same transaction. Next one is same scheduler are said to be conflict equivalent if the order of any two conflicting operation is the same in the both schedule. Next, write operation which are performed without performing the write operation are known as the blind write operation. So which one is the correct here? Here the answer, though you all means those who are able to answer, they know the concept actually, that's why you are able to answer, right? Tell me what will be the answer in the chat box. Tell me which one is the correct answer here. Which one is the correct answer here? Who can tell me? I am waiting for your answer. Yes. Here the granularity is the size of the data, that is correct. This is called granularity only. That is correct answer. Two operations are said to be conflict if belongs to the same transaction. For that we will learn what is called the conflicting pair. That is I am coming. And next one, the two schedule is said to be here and why this is wrong. So that for that what are the concept you have to learn? The concept you have to learn that what is called conflict pair, what is called conflict pair, what is called blind write, and where actually blind write is working. Question to answer, those who want to memorize the answer, they know yes this is the answer and you can go. Your learning is done if you are thinking that Okay, I will end here and no problem. So you can stop here, you can go. But those who want to learn in detail, here why I am coming, that with the question you will learn the related topic, because next year this question will not come. Next year from the related topic the question will come. So that's why you have to understand the related topic. What is blind right? What is conflict pair? Then only you can understand. So here this statement directly you know what is called granularity. Granularity is the size of the data item in the database. So you can write down in your notebook, because this statement, through the statement only, this is only granularity. Granularity, it is the definition of granularity. Granularity, this is the definition of granularity. Granularity is the size of the data item in the database. In the total database, whenever you are storing the data, total size means 1 KB data or 2 KB data, or how much data you have stored there, that is called granularity. So you can write it down, that statement, in your one-liner notebook. Always how to prepare, you know. You have to prepare the PYQs like this way. What are the one-liner statement? This is just like a one-liner statement. What is granularity? You can write down in your notebook. From here only you understand granularity. But here, from this statement, why these are correct and why this is wrong, for that I am going to explain you the concept of transaction on concurrency. So now let's go for the transaction and concurrency concept. So before going to this concept, just I am telling you, this is our updated pricing for Unify Study paid course. From today onwards, you will get here 1 month option, 2 month option and 4 month option, because now this is today 16th February. Our expected date of UGC NET exam is June. So that's why our course is going to be end on June 15th. That is our target. We have started the course on December 15th. So here we are going to, we already cover 3 to 4 subjects are already covered. Remaining subjects also we are going to cover within the month of April. Within month of April, our one time complete of syllabus will be done. After that, May and June we are going to practice more. Every day now also concept and practice is going on. May and June is our revision time, practice time and mock test time. Every day we will do that. So that's why this is our planning. Those who are not able to purchase directly 4 month, for them 1 month option is there. You can take 1 month, after that you can renew. Then 2 month you can go for 2 month. Now 3 month plan is not there. Next month 3 month plan will come again, because now only 4 month left. So next month 3 month plan will come again. Next month we will update that 3 month plan. Now 1 month and 2 month and 4 month is available. According to your requirement you can take it, but our course completion is on June. If you are thinking within 2 months only you can cover everything, that will be not possible, because whatever previously done, that thing also you have to watch. Whatever now we are doing, that thing also you have to watch. Till the exam our course will be going on. Okay, so this is our course planning. Here combo means paper 1 and paper 2 together you are getting. If you want to get the paper 2 separately, then computer science, paper 1 separately, then this one. Okay. Now here I am coming to the concept. No, there is no discount for now. Discount was going on, 20% discount was going on. So that is already over. Now you can see here the conflict. What is serializability? That question came from serializability. There are 2 types of serializability. One is called conflict serializability, another is called view serializability. So conflict serializability, whenever we are doing, then we have to find out this conflicting operation. From here only question came. What are the conflicting operations are there? Conflicting operation means like that there are 2 transactions going on, T1 and T2, with the same data. First of all, conflict operation will be with the same data. Means T1 is reading the data, that is R1A. Means T1 reading A. Now T2 writing A. This operation is called a conflict operation. Read, write. Another operation is like that. Here is write operation if here is also write operation. This is also conflict operation. Write, write. Another operation is there if again here is read going on. That is also a conflicting pair. So what are called conflicting pair? Write, read, write, write, read and write, write. These three are called conflict operation when they are working on same data. That is must. Data should be same. On same data only this is going on, then only it is called conflict pair. If I am writing read B and write A, then that is not the conflict pair because here data is not same. This is B, this is A. Here if I am writing here A write B going on, then is it a conflict pair? No, this is not a conflict pair because this is a read, this is write and this is on different data. So that was the first point. So at least one of the two operation will be the write operation. Then only it is called conflict pair. So that concept is, I hope, clear. So you can see these are called conflict pair. So here whenever you are doing the conflict operation, you can see this read, write, it is a conflict pair. This after that here read and write, this is a conflict pair. In this way we are identifying the conflict pair. I am not going to the detail of the how to do the precedence graph and from the precedence graph how to get the it is conflict serializable or not. Here so many questions are coming, not only theoretical question. You have to know what is conflict serializable or not, view serializable or not, like this type of question. These are the questions are previous year's question also. It is the UGC NET 2018 question. This is also NET question 2018 question. If you want to learn this question, then you can go to the crash course folder, that is 45 days crash course. 45 days crash course playlist is there. There you can see the conflict serializability and view serializability concept available, and this question also I solved there and I am showing you the answer also. So must learn this concept because this is related concept. Whenever you are learning anything, any PYQs, the related concept is also important. So this is the related question and must solve the question, and here your answer will be not conflict serializable. Why? Because here is the cycle. Whenever cycle is there, then that is called not conflict serializable. Why it is not conflict serializable? How the cycle is coming? Because you can see here is a conflict pair, read Y, write Y. That's why T1 to T2 one arrow and write Y, write X. Write the write X and write X. This one. This one is a conflict pair. That one. This is read X and write X. So that's why from T2 to T1 it is creating a cycle, and that's why it is a conflict serializable. Here there is no cycle, only one arrow is coming because the conflict pair is there between this one and this one. So that's why it is not conflict serializable. Always learn related topic. This is the way how to prepare from PYQs. Okay, so that's why your answer is here. Yes, this is your answer. That not conflict serializable and S2 is conflict serializable. Now the blind write. What is blind write? Blind write concept is coming from the view serializability. This is the way how to find out the conflict serializability using the cycle. View serializability is another concept, that is how to check the view serializable or not. For checking the view serializability, here one thing always remember, if there is no cycle, using the precedence graph, if you see there is no cycle, then this is not conflict serializable. Okay, This is conflict serializable. No cycle means this is conflict serializable. Whenever someone is conflict serializable, then that one will be view serializable also, obviously. How that is, this one I am showing you. See that first all check that given one that is not conflict serializable or conflict serializable. If given schedule is conflict serializable, means graph does not contain any loop, there is no loop, then the given schedule must be view serializable also. No need to check extra of view serializability, because no loop means it will be conflict serializable also, it will be conflict serializable also, it will be view serializable also. But the problem is there, if the cycle exists, whenever cycle is there, then it is not conflict serializable. Then you have to check it is view serializable or not. For this view serializability checking, there is the blind write concept. Here the blind write concept is coming. What is blind write? Blind write means performing the write operation without reading the operation, without read operation. Such operation is called blind write operation. What is that? Here if I am coming to this example, from this example you can understand. Here T1 is one transaction, T2 is another transaction, T3 is another transaction. So here you can see, here T1 is reading the data, T2 is writing the data. Without reading, there is no read operation. Without read operation, directly T2 is writing. This type of write is called the blind write operation. This type of write is called blind write operation. And to check the view serializability, this is the most important thing. Whenever there is a blind write operation, if you find out that there is some blind write operation, then it can be view serializable by doing swapping. By doing swapping, because blind write you can swap. Here you can see this write goes here and this write come here. This blind write it swapped here. So in this way I am getting it, I am able to make it serializable. You can see this one, then after that this one, then after that this one. This is now view serializable. Here previously this one was creating cycle. Here for this one it was creating cycle, and that's why it is not conflict serializable. This example is not conflict serializable because it is creating cycle. But it is view serializable. Why? Because we can do the swapping here, and after doing swapping I am able to make this one, and where is no cycle. As there is no cycle, that's why this one is view serializable. So for this question only, if they are asking, then your answer will be it is not conflict serializable, but this is view serializable. So all the concepts are related. From where questions are coming, you cannot understand. Okay. So that's why here you can see view serializability. What are the main point of view serializability? Initial read, updated read, and final write operation. These are the three operations are mandatory operations, and after that if there is any blind write operation, if no blind write exists, then schedule will be non-view serializable, because no blind write means you cannot do any swapping operation. So from this statement also next time question can come. That here is no blind write. If there is no blind write, then that is non-view serializable. Stop and submit your final answer. So these are the related topic, and if you don't know the concept, then definitely go to the channel and definitely visit this one. You have to go to YouTube and come to Unify study. Search Unify study. Search Unify study here. You can see here Unify study. You can come to this playlist. Here you will get everything. You can come to this 45 days playlist. Here I am showing you where is the view serializability concept. Those who don't know, for them. Here if you come down, operating system, database, yes, here you can see the serializability and view serializability. Hello everyone, in this video this is the question, this is the video from where you can watch serializability and view serializability, index number 70 number video from this playlist. From this playlist you can see 70 number video. Okay, you can come here and I am giving you the link also. Those who don't know must watch that, so that your this concept will be clear. Okay, now I am coming to this question. What was actual question? Now this answer will be very easy for you. Why this is wrong? Because here it is given write operation which are performed without performing write operation. That is wrong. Without performing read operation. Actually blind write is without performing read operation. Only one word change here. And that's why this is wrong. And other than that, others are correct. This is granularity, and that is two operations are said to be conflict when it is belongs to same data. That is correct. Two scheduler are said to be conflict equivalent if the order of any two conflicting operation is same in the both scheduler. Because of view serializability concept, that is the swapping. Swapping is possible. Here T1 and T2. When there is WA and here is also WA, I can do the swapping between them. That is, I can write WA here, that T2 is doing fast, after that T1 is doing. These both are actually same. That is the meaning of option C, means statement C. Two scheduler are said to be conflict equivalent if the order of any two conflicting operations is same in the both scheduler. Both schedule, if there is any conflicting operation, when there is any conflicting operation, they are equivalent in the both conflicting pair. Then this is correct. That is, these are conflicting pair, right? These are conflicting pair, but I can make it. So it is called conflict equivalent. Got it? So that's why A, B, C is correct here. I hope this total concept is clear, and this is the way you have to. Why I am telling you? Because maybe some student, those who are in hurry, they will think, oh ma'am is explaining too much, that much time I don't have. But if you are not investing that time, then your learning will be not complete. Now I am going to discuss this question. Yesterday in this question there was some problem, and that's why I feel that this question also required to discuss in more detail. So I am going to discuss it in more detail. Those who are interested, you can stay. Those who are not interested, you can leave. It is your choice, no problem. But it is, I feel that here some more discussion is required, because here there was some problem in last video. So you can see here the question was BCNF, 5NF, 1NF and 4NF. Those who did not watch the previous class must watch the previous class, where we have solved this previous all the question, joining question, all this question we solved in the last class. Okay, those who did not watch must watch that. Here joining means, here this 1NF to array yaar. What is 1NF, what is 2NF, what is 3NF, what is BCNF? These theories are important. because as you can see theory questions are coming, so that's why theories are important. So you can see here the theory 1NF, that is first normal form. First normal form is the basic normalization because our highest normal form is 5NF, that is highest normal form, then 4NF, then BCNF, then 3NF, then 2NF, and finally 1NF. This is the order. So first normal form is the basic one. So in the first normal form, the most basic level normalization, each table cell should be contain only a single value. So single value in single cell, that is the first thing. Single value single cell means whenever I am writing a table like that employee table, this is employee ID, employee name. So the data will be stored like this way: 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, like this way. Single value in single cell. You cannot do 1, 2, 3. These are not allowed because multiple values are not allowed in one cell. Okay, each column could have unique name. The first normal form helps to eliminate the duplicate data and simply queries. If there is any duplicate data, it is removing that also. Second normal form. What is second normal form? Second normal form means there is no partial dependency. That is the first thing. So 2NF eliminates the redundant data by requiring each non-key attribute be dependent on the primary key itself. That is the total dependency. Partial dependency will be not allowed. And here this statement is very important. If the proper subset of candidate key determines the non-prime attribute, then that is called the partial dependency. Here it is a very important concept. Most of the time students are doing mistake here. What is partial dependency and what is the meaning of proper subset? I am telling you, those who are listening, they will be benefited. Those who will not listen, they will be not able to understand. Here you can see, if A, B, C, D, this is my relation. This is a relation given to you. Now maybe candidate key is AC. AC is your candidate key. Then if the dependency is given like A implies D, this is called partial dependency. This is definitely partial dependency. Why? Because A is the part of candidate key. A is the part of candidate key, that is called prime. To D is the non-prime attribute, this is called non-prime. So it is a prime to non-prime. But the problem is there, if it is like that, key A, B implies D. A, B implies D, is it partial dependency? Here most of the students will say it is partial dependency, but that is wrong. A, B, it is not the proper subset of, this is not the proper subset of AC. And that's why this is not called partial dependency. This dependency is in 2NF. You will not do the mistake, don't do this mistake, you will think that this is partial dependency. This is not at all partial dependency because this is not the proper subset. Either A or C. It is A with that B is there and it is not the proper subset. So AB implies D, this type of dependency, if it is present, it will be in 2NF. There is no problem. Must remember, nowadays questions are coming in more depth, so that's why this is important to remember. Okay, so here it is no partial dependency in the second normal form. Third normal form, what it is? Third normal form is working on transitive dependency. Transitive dependency is not allowed here. 3NF builds on the 2NF by requiring the all non-key attribute, means non-prime. In a simple way I can say non-prime to non-prime will be not allowed here. Partial dependency means prime to non-prime is not allowed. Here prime to non-prime is not allowed, but 3NF means non-prime to non-prime will be not allowed here. That is called transitive dependency. From this example only I can say, if there is C implies D, C is also non-prime, D is also non-prime. So that's why this is not allowed in 3NF. Non-prime to non-prime is not allowed in 3NF. Even also this one is also not allowed, because 3NF means it should satisfy 2NF plus transitive dependency also. It will not allow transitive dependency. It will not allow partial dependency also. Always one normal form coming means previous constraint is already there. So previous constraint, with that the new constraint added here. BCNF. BCNF is what? BCNF is simply that it's strict, it is in 3NF and ensure each determinant in the table is candidate key. Each determinant in the table is candidate key. Means all left hand side of the functional dependency will be candidate key or super key. Theoretical statements are very important, because after knowing concept also you are not able to do the answer, because the theoretical terminology are not clear to you, and that's why the theories are very important to know. Okay, next one is the fourth, and BCNF means what I can say here. According to this example, if I am writing BCNF, then which one will be in BCNF? Here is, as I told you, AC is the candidate key. So the functional dependency should be like this. That is AC implies B or AC implies D, AC. AC implies D. These are the BCNF. These are in BCNF. Because AC is the complete candidate key. Here also AC is the complete candidate key. Even also if I am writing ACB implies D, this is also in BCNF, because this is a super key. Here these are candidate key, this is super key, this is also allowed. But if I am writing like that, key A implies B, definitely this is not allowed. If I am writing C implies D, this is also not allowed. All will be candidate key or super key, left hand side. Now next one is the 4NF. What is called 4NF? 4NF means it should be in BCNF. The first thing should be there. With that, the table does not contain any multi-valued dependencies. Multi-valued dependency will be not there. Whenever the dependency is there, but it is multi-value. Multi-value means what? Just now I told multi-value means here is the employee ID. Employee ID, here it is telling that 1, 2, 3, multiple values are coming. This type of multi-valued dependency will be not here. This is called multi-value. It will be not exist. Fifth NF. What is fifth NF? 5NF is the highest normal form of the normalization here. Yesterday also I told it is another name of 5NF is project joint normal form. That is called fifth NF, project joint normal form. Okay. So it will be in 4NF. First of all, it should be in 4NF. And it cannot be decomposed into any number of smaller table without loss of data. Means it is already decomposed into such a form, you cannot decompose it more. Already it is the smaller part. If you are trying to decompose it more, then there will be the loss of data. That is called the 5NF. That's why it is called project joint normal form. So every JD, that was the meaning here in the question. Every JD, that is joint dependency, is implied by the candidate key. Every joint dependency is implied by the candidate key. Means whenever you are joining between two tables, employee table and department table. So what is the key here? Employee table key is maybe employee ID is the candidate key of employee table. Department ID is the candidate key of the department table. Whenever you are joining between them, then candidate key will be the main thing to join. That is the joint dependency. So every joint dependency is implied by the candidate key. This is the definition of 5NF. So the relation must be in 4NF and relation must not be further non-lossless, non-loss decomposition. Non-loss decomposed means if you are trying to decompose, then you cannot decompose it with loss. There will be loss of data. Okay, so these are the definitions of each and every one, and that's why you can see here the BCNF is what? BCNF is every functional dependency implied by the candidate key. That is, I told left hand side should be candidate key. 5NF. 5NF is what? This is the 5NF. Every JD means joint dependency implied by the candidate key. Project joint normal form, and here you have the definition. Every JD is the implied by candidate key. 1NF. What is 1NF? 1NF means here you can see all underlying domain contain the scalar value. Scalar value means atomic value. One value only. Each and every one will be the scalar value. For one type of value, you can think like that. Whenever role you are entering, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Name you are entering, then it is coming like Priya, Lakshmi, Bala, like that. 4NF. Every multi-valued dependency is implied by candidate key. Each and every multi-valued dependency, whenever there is multi-valued dependency, then it will be implied by candidate key. That was here, right? In the 4NF, you can see that further BCNF and the table does not contain any multi-valued dependency. Right? So, this is your final answer, and nowadays they are asking this question very much from the theoretical concept. So that's why I hope using this only two question we discuss. Again this question will need another class. Dense index, sparse index, B plus tree, B tree. I will request everyone, before coming tomorrow, please watch the video of B tree, B plus tree. I am giving you a home task for you, so that this part no need to discuss. I will not discuss this part. I will discuss this dense index and related topic of dense index and sparse index. Here extensible hashing is the size directory just in the array. They combined all the part. Here what is hashing? This is also I am telling you where I have discussed. So B tree, B plus tree, hashing, and here you can see the first record of each block of the data file known as actor record, that is coming under indexing part only. So these are the points I will discuss, but the B tree, B plus tree and hashing, these two topic already done. Syllabus, no chance for from my end. I cannot say that is officially, but unofficially I can say there is no chance, because it is already February 16th when they will change the data. It is possible or not, you can think. So I am showing you where you can see the B tree, B plus tree concept, where I have discussed. I think in the data structure class. B tree, B plus tree. Here. This is 25 number video. 25 number video of this playlist. Here you can see AVL tree, B plus tree. 26th number video is the hashing. 26th number video, if you watch, there is the hashing data structure under 26. So before coming tomorrow, must watch these two video. Those who did not watch, B tree, B plus tree and this hashing, 25 and 26 number video, so that remaining topic whatever required that I can discuss. If you are not watching, then again I have to repeat, that will be not good. So it's better to watch these two videos, so that hashing and B tree, B plus tree will be clear and indexing idea will be clear, because this will clear your idea. Your idea will be clear, then come to the class so that I can discuss that concept. Okay. So tell me how I am doing this class. Are you feeling beneficial or not? Are you feeling beneficial or not? Ki with the question I am discussing the related topic, and I am giving you reference also, that what you have to do and how to do. So is that okay? Or you are feeling ma'am is wasting time? Whatever you are feeling, please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to read your comment. Last class also I took the class, but I did not see any comment. Those who are live, it is a request to you, after ending the live session, come back to this video and comment, not in the live chat. In the comment your suggestion, that how the class is going on. In this year I plan like this way, कि I will show the question, and with the question we will discuss the related topic, so that those who know, their revision will be done. Those who don't know, they will understand, okay, these are the things I have to learn. I will tell you from where you can learn. So like this way I will try to help you, so that you can also crack. Right? Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you. I can see all are telling yes, yes. Anisha, Sarvana, Monica, Bethira, Khodayaza, Babina. Okay. Thank you for your comment. So please do this, and after that tomorrow we will do that, so that this total topic will be covered. Actually with this question, how many topic you cover, see that. Here yesterday we did the joining concept, completely relational join and all. Today we cover the functional dependency and transaction concurrency concept. Tomorrow we will do this indexing concept. Right? So next class we will start the data structure algorithm. Tomorrow we will do that. After that we will do the data structure algorithm. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Oh, sorry. Tomorrow to Saturday. Tomorrow I have to go to my daughter's school. She have. Achha, I will try, or otherwise I will try to upload a video. Okay. If I am not able to come live for this topic, I will try to record a video and I will upload that. If I am not able to come live, then within Saturday and Sunday, anytime, I will record a video and I will upload it. That is the indexing concept. All types of indexing in a gist way I will upload. Tomorrow I have to go to my daughter's school. There is PTM, parents teachers meeting. So Saturday, Sunday, if I am not able to take the class, then Monday again 3 PM I will definitely take the class. I will come live Monday 3 PM and within Saturday or Sunday I will upload this video. Monday 3 PM data structure class will be there. I will take data structure. Okay, data structure, all these questions we will do, that is unit 7. So before that you can revise the data structure also. That is also your home task. From that playlist only you can go to that playlist and you can do the revision of this data structure and algorithm. Okay, bye everyone. See you again on live Monday.